Hello guys, this is Aritra back with a new video, and today my topic is conservation of linear momentum. Before that, I am telling you my format. Today I have the same format as the last day. I will teach first with the PowerPoint slide and then with the NCRT PDF. Okay, before starting this, I want to say what's momentum. Momentum is means the product of mass into velocity of an object. Okay, that's momentum simply. So let's start this slide. Conservation of linear momentum. As you can see, please notice the picture. Okay, two balls are there, m1 u1, m2 u2. Please see the balls for 1 minute. Okay, now let's go. What's the value of means in the last slide you had seen the balls with written u1, m1, v1, that all. So what's the value? M1 means mass of first object, means first ball. U1 means initial velocity of object 1, in this case the first ball, and v1 is the final velocity of the first ball, in this case means the object 1. Okay, m2 is the mass of object 2, u2 is the initial velocity of object 2, and v2 is the final velocity of object 2. Okay, these are the values. Now let's, what does the conservation of law of momentum states? Okay, it states that the sum of momentum before collision of the balls is equal to the sum of momentum after the collision of the balls if there is no external force. Means you have seen the picture that two balls are there. The three means different types are there: before collision, during collision, and after collision. Okay, suppose the two balls are there. uh, Suppose two balls are there with, means they are not colliding with each other before collision. Okay, after that some force is exerted by the first or second ball, anything, and they collide. Okay, they collide with each other, and then again they mean separate from each other. This is before collision, this is colliding situation, and this is after collision. Okay, now uh, the law of conservation of momentum states that the momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after collision. Okay, the momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after collision. Here means if you write the statement, it should not be momentum, it should be written momenta. It is the singular form of momentum. Okay, and the formula or law, you can say m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Means mass of object 1 into initial velocity of object 1 plus mass of object 2 is into initial velocity of object 2 is equal to mass of object 1 into velocity of, means final velocity of object 1 plus mass of object 2 into final velocity of object 2. Okay, this is the law of conservation of momentum. In the in the NCRT book you will see that in the place of 1 and 2 it is written by A and B. Means this is more comfortable for me, so I am giving you, hope you would also like 1 and 2 only. Means A and B has no disadvantage, they state the same only. Okay, now let's do one question. Okay, it is in the NCRT solved, but I will do it in a different way. uh, I hope it will be helpful for you. a girl of a girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second. Okay, a horizontal velocity means this side, uh, of 5 meter per second, means the initial velocity of the girl is 5 meter per second, onto a stationary cart, means the cart is at rest, onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. Okay, what is her velocity as the cart starts moving? What is her velocity means what is the final velocity, v. Okay, assume that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. Always remember that the conservation of law of momentum only works when there is no external force acting. Okay, means I am describing this. Suppose this is the cart. Okay, a girl is coming from here with a initial velocity of 5 meter per second and jumps to the cart. Okay, and the cart is at rest. Then the cart starts moving. What is their combined velocity? Okay, this is the question. So means you would see the answer in the NCERT book also, but it would be tough than my solution. Okay, so let's see my solution. I have made two columns. Okay, one side girl and one side cart. I have made m1 is equal to 40 kg, u1 is equal to 5 kg, v1 is not given. Okay, v1 v2 both are not given. uh, in the cart, m2 is equal to 3 kg, u2 is equal to 0 meter per second, as the cart is at rest. Okay, and v2 is not given. In this case, we will consider v1 and v2 as a single variable v. Okay, because they have a combined velocity v. Okay, so the law is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, so m1 u1 is equal to 40 into 5 plus m2 u2. As you can see on the screen, m2 u2 is equal to 3 into 0. 0 is the u2, is equal to m1 v1, means 40 into v. I already told we have to consider only v, not v1 or v2, only v as a variable. 40 into v plus 3 into v. Okay, so this implies that 200 is equal to 40v plus 3v. 240 into 5 is equal to 200 plus 3 into 0 comes 0. So 200 is equal to 40 plus v plus 3v. Sorry, this implies 43v is equal to 200. This implies that v is equal to 200 by 43, which implies that velocity, means the combined velocity, is 4.65 meter per second. Okay, this was the PowerPoint slide. Now let's go to the NCERT PDF. You please see the solution once. This is means I have done this method, and now let's go to the NCERT PDF. Okay, the NCERT PDF is conservation of momentum. Suppose two balls A and B, say the masses of MA and MB, are traveling in the same direction along a straight line at different velocities UA and UB respectively, as shown in the figure. Okay, and there is no other external unbalanced force acting on them. Let UA is greater than UB. Sorry, I forgot to tell that U2 should be greater than U1, means we assume that. Okay, let UA greater than UB and the two balls collide with each other as shown in the figure during collision, which lasts for a time t. The ball A exerts a force of AB on ball B, and the ball B exerts the force of B on A on ball A. Suppose V and VB are the velocities of two balls and B after collision respectively. Okay, this is the figure. You have already seen this type of figure in the PowerPoint presentation, so no need to worry about that. This is the proof. Okay, a simple proof you can see from the NCERT book or any other guidebook like Exam Idea, Dinesh Physics, Chand Physics, anything. Okay, this is the proof, and here the law of momentum is given, that MAUA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. It is nothing different, only the means 1 2 and AB are different. Okay, so the total momentum of the two balls before collision will be MAUA plus MBUB, or M1U1 plus M2U2, and the total momentum after collision is MAVA plus MBVB, or M1V1 plus M2V2. Okay, this is the law of conservation of momentum, and these are some questions. I have solved this question. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Assume that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. Okay, I have solved these questions only, but in my own way. You can also see this, but I prefer that my way is easier. See, the means the cart is still, the girl is coming with a initial velocity of 5 meters per second and jumps on the cart. Then what is the combined velocity of? Yeah. Okay, this is the question. See, the answer is also same. It is 4.65 meter per second. My also. These are some questions, and the chapter is over. So hope you enjoy my video. Please give a thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe my channel for this type of videos. Bye bye.